Jubilee, knowing very, very well that he is not supposed to be in office. Very, very unfortunate that a journalist has been hurt. We have also heard that they chased away police officers. And you ask yourself, if police officers can be chased from an establishment, then you kind of question why this Secretary General remains so sacred that he should not even be charged. In fact, this one adds to all the charges, to even the charges that we have that will be preferred against him. But to start with, we have a statement that I want to read to you, and then of course I'll give my colleagues an opportunity to also delve into it and also inform you.
We want to go to our office.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the media. We have met this morning as leaders of Jubilee Party, and we have with me here members of the National Executive Council, members of Parliament, the parliamentary group, as well as representatives of the National MCA's caucus. But as you have seen from the gate, it is actually closed, so even some of our members have been locked out, and we are hoping that they are going to be let in. We wish to clarify certain matters for the benefit of our members and the general public. This is because some leaders have engaged in this disinformation campaign that is casting our party in bad light. We have a responsible leadership that respects the rule of law. That is why we have taken a low profile. Since the NEC meeting of the 10th February 2023, we wanted to give our courts the time to complete the hearing of the cases that have been filed by Honorable Kioni. The judgment of the Political Parties Dispute Tribunal, PPDT, that was delivered on the 19th of February this year was very clear that the resolution of NEC passed on the 10th of February 2023 remains in place unless determined by the party internal dispute resolution mechanism. The clear position as set out in the judgment is as follows. One, that Honorable Kioni, Honorable Murathe, and Mr. Kagwe Gishohi remain suspended, or if they like it, stepped aside, until all disputes relating to the NEC resolution have been resolved internally by the party. Yours truly, Honorable Kanini Kega, will be the acting National Secretary General until that process is completed. Likewise, Honorable Adan Kainan will act as the National Vice Chairperson, and Honorable Rachel Nyamai, who is here, will act as the National Treasurer. The Party National Disciplinary Committee has already been convened. In fact, Honorable Kioni has himself publicly pronounced that he intends to refer a complaint before the committee against some officials of the party. We expect that the committee will give a fair hearing to all the parties concerned. All the leaders of the party are obligated by law and our constitution to give the committee time to complete its work without any undue interference. And from what you have seen here, this is a clear indication that Honorable Kioni, the former Secretary General, doesn't want to give a good environment for IDRC to execute its mandate. On our part, we will execute the duties of the offices that have been entrusted to us by NEC without fear or favor. I want to confirm to you that even when we were in that meeting, we heard about the commotions that were happening in the Jubilee headquarters, and we have also resolved as NEC, because NEC also sat this morning, that we are going to close these offices because Kioni is purporting to operate from the Jubilee headquarters, yet he is not the Secretary General. So from today, these offices will be closed. In fact, we will even inform the community, because we feel very bad that the community is now becoming part and parcel of the challenges that are facing our party, that are being created by only 3 individuals, and in particular, the former Secretary General, Honorable Kioni. The same case with Murathe and Mr. Kagwe. So for us, we have said that we are going to follow the due process. Remember, good people, when the order were given to stay the execution of NEC deliberations in Nakuru, for us, we obeyed the law. And we never engaged in any Jubilee matters until the 19th, when the court pronounced itself. And it's very clear. In fact, you don't need a lawyer to interpret for you. And the clear instructions of the court. In fact, right now, Honorable Kioni is acting in total disregard of, is actually contempt of court. And those are some of the charges that we are even going to prefer against him. So we are hoping that from today he will not purport to represent Jubilee. He will not purport to have this office as a headquarter, because this office is also not gazetted as the official headquarter of Jubilee. And from today, Jubilee will not operate from this headquarter. And these are the officials of Jubilee. I want to give an opportunity to the Vice Chair, Acting Vice Chair, to also make a few remarks.
Invest and build at Optiven's ultimate solution for genuine property ownership fused with luxury living and affordability. With our fully stocked supermarket of value-added residential and commercial properties in prime locations across the country, we cater to all your needs. Some of our projects include Achievers Paradise in Ngong, Ushindi Gardens in Nakuru, Great Oasis Gardens in Nanyuki, Kidhimani Springs along the Thika Garissa Road, Hekima Gardens in Nyeri, Garden of Joy in Machakos, Wema Gardens in Narumoru, Tulivu Gardens at Konza Technopolis, and Love Gardens, Kajiado County.